Most beurre blancs split, look dull, or taste flat, but this one's built with scallops for a Michelin level sauce. To make our scallop infused beurre blanc, I'm basically using this muscle part that we remove anyways. So to start off the traditional recipe, you would be sweating down some shallots for that sweetness. But I wanted an interesting twist, so I used my shallot confit oil instead, caramelizing those scallop trimmings for the base of our sauce. The acids are going to help bind your fats. What I'm going to be using to emulsify my sauce are going to be white wine and lemon juice. This sauce is really sensitive to heat, so you're going to want to whisk in your butter off the heat. Just a little bit. For a much smoother result, you want to throw it in the blender with half a teaspoon of xanthan gum before filtering it through a fine mesh sieve. We have a little bit of dill oil left, so I'm going to show you how to make a broken emulsion. This is my Scallop Infused Beurre Blanc broken emulsion with dill oil that we made from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you want to see more recipes like this. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next recipes to come.